Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. In today's upcoming film short, it's only a minute and a half. However, dark, full moon, flat glassy water. Check this out on the moon. Wow, what a shot that is, huh? So, I'm putting the camera lens in now, getting things ready to go, and we're gonna drop into about 400, 395 right in there. And as I get down to the seafloor, I notice there's a lot of sand and silt, but yet there's some blue-looking fish that completely surround the camera and the light. Some have a clear body where you can actually see the vertebrae of the skeleton that surrounds the fish. But look at all of these little guys. There was a brief shot of something on the seafloor. I couldn't quite see what it was. But is that amazing or what? They like the light. You've heard it said before, I see the light. I see the light. Thank you for watching. And until next time, be safe out on the water and always wear your life jacket. Wow, what a shot.